Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up demo in Australia. Welcome to Tracy's Sunday Challenge for the 18th of June. This video actually created this card today and I did video it, so I've edited it and made it go really fast for you. So you can see I'm creating two sets of cards using one design. So you can use this with any sort of DSP that you have here. I have basic white thick cardstock, and then our matting pieces are Misty Moonlight and the Gray Granite. I'm going to pop those up with dimensionals. Now I'm also using the He's All That stamp set for our sentiment, and I've used the die to cut that stamp out with the All That dies, which is the coordinating die from it. You can find that on page 83 of the annual catalogue. Now you have all week to create a masculine card and to share it with us all over my Facebook page. I really hope you'll come and join in. If you're in need of any of the supplies that I've used on today's card, you can certainly purchase them in my online store. And I have a wonderful special for people all my customers who shop with me each month. Don't forget to use the hostess code. You'll get a handmade card as well as a bundle tutorial. And if you spend over $100, you can also receive the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial, which is the Zoo Crew bundle or the suite for this month. So it's super exciting. And also, here's a little bit of a heads up. On Thursday this week, we have free shipping. So any orders over $65, I believe it is, will receive free shipping. So amazing. If you have a little bit of an order started, make sure you get that in on Thursday and save yourself some money so you can add some extra craft supplies there. I'm also using these embellishments. I'm not sure what they are, but I think they are retired. I'm pretty sure they're retired. But I just wanted to say, when you're doing your challenges or when you're creating cards, if you've got something that's in your stash that is no longer current as a Stampin' Up product, like something that's not available to be ordered yet or still, please use them. Please don't just stash them away. Please use them, put them on cards and enjoy them. And I thought these ones actually worked quite well, even though it was Night of Navy and Crumb Cake, but worked well. All right, everyone, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.